Hi everyone, so this channel is going to be used to discuss business technologies such as digital advertising, apps and website functionality, but I thought I'd start things off with a simple unboxing video to test things and get things off the ground. So I'm going to be making a video about WhatsApp for Business soon, which will be a full demo and review of the platform, and also a little intro into how to get it to integrate with a website so customers can directly message your company through WhatsApp for Business from your website. So to do so, I needed an Android phone. Obviously I don't want to pay for one of the flagship devices. I wanted something cheap that I could use as a secondary device. So I headed over to Amazon, had a look at some of the cheapest phones available. I came across a Nokia, a Samsung Galaxy, and I also came across this Honor 7S, which is made by Huawei. Now, it was only £70, and to be honest, when looking at all the other Android phones within that price bracket, these seemed like the most spec'd out phone that was available. So if we have a quick look at the specs, you can see that it's got a 5.45 inch display. It has a 13 megapixel rear camera, has a 3.1 dual SIM slot, a micro SD card slot, and it has a 3020 milliamp hour large battery, which is not bad at all for the price. I also believe that it has, let's have a look now, has 16 gigabytes storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. It also has a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor. Again, not at all bad for £70. And it comes in quite a nice box actually. It's obviously very Apple-like in its shape and its form factor, but it's a nice teal colour with the logo on the front. So let's go ahead and open it up. Quite a nice box. And then the phone is obviously inside at the top in this little plastic, I guess, packet, which isn't, the most expensive, fanciest way to package something, but it was only £70. And there is the phone, which looks pretty good. It's quite slimline actually. It's slimmer than I thought it would be. It's not bad at all. So it has this little wrapper on, so I'll just take that off. And also, I believe it has one on the front there, but I think that is a screen protector, so I'll leave that on for now. It has the CE marks at the bottom and also a Huawei Tech Co Limited sticker at the bottom, if you can see that. I got this one in black. I think it was the only colour available. It's got a little bit of a sparkly finish to it. It doesn't look all too bad. Okay, let's have a look what's in the box. Let's see what's in here. So you get a tiny SIM card pin at the very top of the box, which is hidden away, tucked away in there. Let's take that out. We'll use that in a minute to get the SIM card out. The SIM card tray, warranty card, instruction manual, all of the usual stuff. What do we have? So we have the UK power plug, which is 3-pin plug with USB on the other side, marked and branded as Huawei. 3-pin UK plug, but obviously this pops up to make it the right size, but that's quite handy for travel. The UK plug is obviously quite bulky and it is frustrating sometimes trying to package it up into a travel bag, so that's quite a nice feature. And on it, it's obviously branded as Huawei. Also there is this, which is just a standard, it's not USB type C, it's a standard micro USB even. which is not a great port, but obviously the phone is only £70. So what do we actually have on the phone? So the speaker grill is at the top and nothing at the bottom, just the logo. Have the front facing camera, which is the 5 megapixel one, and the grill there. So look on this side. So we have the 13 megapixel camera there with the flash. Again, another logo which is just printed onto it. So this is all plastic, and that logo is just printed on. So I can probably scratch away. It just appears to just have the micro USB port at the bottom, and then the microphone there. There's a SIM card tray and the SD card tray. Oh, there is the headphone jack, which is quite rare. I've not had that on a phone in a while. And then you have your lock button, I guess, and some volume controls, which again are all plastic. So it's not a bad finish for the price of the phone. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all, but it's a good size. It's thin. Let's go ahead and take the SIM card out, or the SIM card tray. So let's take the SIM card tray out. So just put this little pin in here. That pops the tray. It should be 2 SIMs and an SD. So there's your SD at the front, then 2 micro SIMs at the back. So we have the Honor logo, powered by Android at the bottom, as you would expect. Okay, and then we're straight into selecting the language. Let's go with English UK. Then it wants me to insert a SIM card straight away. Let's skip that for now. Accept the terms of use. Yes, I've carefully read all these. Of course, next. Weather service. Let's disagree with the weather service and go next. We'll just skip through to the next part. So it's going to be set up as a new phone. Don't want to copy any data. Google location services. Device maintenance. Install apps and updates. I agree to all of those. Kind of have to. Then you can data transfer from another Huawei device, another Android device, or an iPhone. Again, I'm going to skip that for now. Set up a new device. You can do that later, I guess. You can data transfer later. Device protection. Enable device protection to prevent unauthorized users. So you can do face unlock, which is quite cool actually. Considering the price of the phone, I didn't think it would do that. But for now, I'm just going to set a password with a pin. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. If it allows me to. Yep, it does. I thought it might have had a security policy on there. Let's skip that and go ahead to the next bit. Get started. There we go. So a nice Android experience. It seems fairly basic. Let's have a look at the camera. Okay. Use GPS. There we go. Hello. Let's just take a picture of the box. Fairly responsive. It's not iPhone standard, but considering the price of it, it's not too bad at all. Let's get this text here. Close up. That's quite good. So let's have a look at those. That's quite clear. It's a reasonable picture. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. That's surprisingly good. Obviously there's a video mode as well. Let's go ahead and video. Colour and focus changed then when I brought the blue box in. Seems fairly stable, even though I'm trying to wobble the camera. Zoom in on the text. Yeah, not bad at all. It's pretty good. Okay. You have all the settings that you would expect. The screen is fairly bright. And the standard control panel that you would expect at the top. I have to say I'm quite impressed with this. It's quite fast. Let's see what the scroll is like. It's not as smooth as an iPhone, but again it's £70. It's not unresponsive, but obviously the touchscreen and the screen itself isn't as fast as an iPhone. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm going to go ahead and get my SIM card installed, set up this phone for work purposes, and of course install WhatsApp for Business. Once that's done, I'll do a full review of the WhatsApp for Business app and also give a demo of how to install it on your website. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and support me by subscribing and leaving a thumbs up below. Thanks.